So I'm going to try and make squishies today from homemade materials. Okay, let's try out the squishy recipe. Fetching the shampoo. We got it, let's go. Some flour. Let's start with this much. So now I'm going to wrap it up, all wrapped up. Now you have your own homemade dumpling.